Good morning, students. Welcome back to Max Online class. How are you, students? I hope you are fine and safe by God's grace. Students, are you learning everyday's portion? Okay, fine. You have to be learn all the definition as well as notes. Okay. The next week onwards, we are going to conduct the one-word test. If you are learning all the definition, notes, thinking corner, everything means only you can attend the test. Okay, so you have to learn all the definition, notes, everything. Okay, students. In the previous class, what did you learn, students? Function, is it? Okay, today also I am going to continue functions. Okay, once again shall we recall function? Okay. Function, a relation f between two non-empty sets x and y is called a function from x to y if for each x belongs to x there exists only one y belongs to y such that x comma y belongs to f. Okay, if you are saying shortly, each element in x has a unique image, means that is a function. Each element in x has a unique image, means that is a function. Have you understand, students? Okay. Now I am going to explain exercise 1.3 sixth problem. A function f is defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Find f of 0 plus f of 1 by 2. Second question, find x such that f of x is equal to 0. Find x such that f of x is equal to x. Find x such that f of x is equal to 1 minus x. Okay, still fifth question already you have learned, is it? Now I am going to explain sixth question. A function f is defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. We have to find out f of 0 plus f of 1 by 2. First question is find f of 0 plus f of 1 by 2. First solution. What is given? What's the function? F of x is equal to 2x minus 3. F of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Clear? Now we have to find out f of 0 plus f of 1 by 2. For finding that, first we have to find out f of 0. Listen, x is equal to 0. X in place, you have to substitute. We have to substitute 0. How to find out f of 0? X in place, you have to find out 0. When x is equal to 0, f of 0 is equal to, here x in place, you have to be replace 0. 2 into 0 minus 3. 2 into 0 is 2 into 0. Any number into 0 means also 0. 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Clear? This is f of 0. Next we have to find out f of 1. Okay, for finding f of 0 plus f of 1 by 2, separately you have to find out f of 0, f of 1. Next we have to be divided by, then we have to substitute the value here. Next, when x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means what will we get? F of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 3. 2 into 1 minus 3 is equal to 1 2 is 2. 2 minus 3 is equal to 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Clear? X f of 0 we have find out, f of 1 also we have to find out. Then f of 0 plus f of 1 by 2 we have to find out. F of 0 plus f of 1 by 2 is equal to, what is f of 0? Minus 3, is it? F of 0 is minus 3 plus f of 1 is minus 1 by 2. Okay, f of 0 value minus 3. F of 1 is minus 1 divided by 2. Clear? Minus 3 plus minus 1. Both also minus. Then what we have to do? Add that minus symbol. Is it? 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. Minus symbol we have to write. So minus 4 by 2. When we are cancelling, 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Is equal to minus 2. So f of 0 plus f of 1 by 2 is equal to minus 2. Okay. Clear, students? Okay. First, f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. First, when we are finding f of 0, x in place you have to substitute 0. So, okay. So, 2 into 0 minus 3 is equal to 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Next, x is equal to 1. F of 1 for finding x is equal to 1 we have to substitute. So, f of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 3 is equal to 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. F of 0 plus f of 1 by 2 is equal to minus 3 plus minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2. First question over. Next we have to find out second question. Find x. What's the question? Find x such that f of x is equal to 0. Find x such that f of x is equal to 0. Listen. F of x is equal to 0. What is f of x? What is given? In f of x for what is given? Yeah, 2x minus 3. F of x is equal to 0 means we have to write 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. F of x is equal to 0 means what we can write? 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x is equal to 3. If we are taking minus 3 this side, what will we get? 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 by 2. What's the value of x? 3 by 2. F of x is equal to 0. We have to find out x. So, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Why? F of x is equal to 2x minus 3. F of x in place, 2x minus 3 we have to replace. Okay? 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. X is equal to 3 by 2. Have you understand this? Then I am going to do the third question. Third question is f of x is equal to x. Find x such that f of x is equal to x. What's the question? Find x such that f of x is equal to x. F of x in place what you have to substitute? 2x minus 3 is equal to x. Here f of x is equal to 0. So we have substituted 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. Here f of x is equal to x. So 2x minus 3 is equal to x. Now variable terms take it in same side. Constant term take it in another side. Okay. This is variable. So x value you want to bring it here. This minus 3 you have to take it here. So what will we get? 2x. This plus x when we are taking in left hand side minus x is equal to this 3 when we are taking here 3 plus 3 minus 3 when we are taking here plus 3 will be get. Clear? 2x minus x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3. 2x minus x means 1x. Okay. What's the coefficient here? 1. 2 minus 1 is 1x. Okay. 2x minus x is equal to x. So, x is equal to 3 is the answer. Have you understand this? Okay. Now, I am going to explain the fourth question. Any doubt in here? No doubt, no? Okay. Now, I am going to explain the fourth question. Fourth question is f of x is equal to f of 1 minus x. Okay, fourth question is f of x is equal to f of 1 minus x. Here, first shall we find out f of 1 minus x? First we have to find out f of 1 minus x. F of x you know what is 2x minus 3. Okay. We have to find out f of 1 minus x. F of 1 minus x. What is f of x? F of x is equal to 2x minus 3, is it? Here, x in place, we have to replace 1 minus x. X in place, what we have to do? 1 minus x. So, what will we get? Here, x in place you have to replace 1 minus x. So, 2 into x. X in place what you have to write? 1 minus x minus 3. Clear? 2 into 1 minus x minus 3. Here 2 into 1 means 2. 2 into x means 2x. Okay, 2 is common for these two terms. So, 2 minus 2x minus 3. Clear? 2 minus 2x minus 3. It's equal to, what will we get? Say students, what will we get? Minus 2x. Okay, minus 2x. This is variable term. So, I am writing here minus 2x. This both also constant term. Constant term together adding term, what will we get? Minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. Minus 3 plus 2 is equal to which one? Minus 1. Minus 2x minus 1. Clear students? F of x is equal to f of 1 minus x given. First, we have to find out separately f of 1 minus x. F of 1 minus x we have find out. Is it? Then, what is given? Given f of x is equal to f of 1 minus x. Substitute the values. F of x is what? 2x minus 3. Equal to, what is f of 1 minus x? Minus 2x minus 1. Clear? Any doubt? 2x minus 3. What is the value of f of x is? What's the value of f of x? 2x minus 3. What's the value of f of 1 minus x? Minus 2x minus 1. Both also substituted here. Have you understand? Next, here also variable term take it in left hand side, constant term take it right hand side. What will we get? 2x, this minus 2x take it this side, minus 3 bring it here. So 2x plus 2x is equal to minus 1 plus 3. Okay. 2x minus 2x taking this side means plus 2x. Next, minus 3 when we are taking this side, plus 3. Clear? So, 2x plus 2x is 4x is equal to 2. 4x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 by 4. 4x is equal to 2 means x is equal to 2 by 4. When we are cancelling 1, 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2. Have you understand, students? Okay. Have you understand? Any doubt in this question? Once again, I am repeating this. The given function is f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. First question, find f of 0 plus f of 1 by 2. For this, first separately find out f of 0. F of 0 means x in place 0. 2 into 0 minus 3 is equal to 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Next, we have to find out f of 1. F of 1 means x in place 1. Replace x in place 1. Here x in place 1, like that substitute. 2 into 1 minus 3 is equal to 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Then f of 0 plus f of 1 by 2 is equal to minus 3 plus minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2. Okay. Then the second question is find x. We have to find out the value of x such that f of x is equal to 0. F of x is equal to 0. Therefore, what is the value of f of x? 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. If 2x is equal to 3 means x is equal to 3 by 2. Next, third one, f of x is equal to x. So, we can write 2x minus 3 is equal to x. Okay, f of x is equal to x. So, 2x minus 3 is equal to x. Then, variable term take it in left hand side. Constant term take it in right hand side. So, 2x minus x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Next, fourth question. F of x is equal to f of 1 minus x. F of x is equal to f of 1 minus x given. We have to find out the value of x. Here, for finding this, first separately I am finding the f of 1 minus x. F of 1 minus x means here f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. In this x in place, we have to replace 1 minus x. So, 2 into 1 minus x minus 3. Okay, f of 1 minus x means 2 into 1 minus x minus 3 is equal to 2 minus 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 2x minus 1. Here, f of x is equal to f of 1 minus x. F of x value substitute here. 2x minus 3. F of 1 minus x value substitute here, minus 2x minus 1. Then variable term take it left hand side. So 2x plus 2x is equal to minus 1 plus 3. So 4x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Have you all understand this? Okay. Seventh question. An open box is to be made from a square piece of material. One square piece of material 24 centimeter on a side. Each side is 24 centimeter. By cutting equal squares from the corners. Equal square from the corner. Turning up the side as shown. Express the volume of V of the box as a function of x. Okay, students, listen here. One square box. Okay, one square piece. Okay, there this each side is 24 centimeter. Every side is also 24 centimeter. This side also 24 centimeter. Every side also 24 centimeter. So 24 centimeter. This next, what they are doing? Cutting equal squares from the corners. Each corners, they are cutting equal squares. Okay, equal squares. They are cutting from the corners. Okay, this corner, equal square cutting. Here also one square they are cutting. Next, all the four sides also cutting the corners equal squares. Here everywhere equal squares they are cutting in each corners. Okay, each corner also they are cutting equal squares like this. Okay, then when we are turning the side, what will we get? They are turning like this. Every side also they are turning like this. What is this? What is this? It is a open box. When we are turning like this and pasting, we will be get a open box. Okay. Each side, what they are cutting, X like that. Mention it. Here X. Here also X. 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 Here also X. X. So, what is the length of the box? This is the length of the box, is it? What is the length of the box? Each side also they are cutting X centimeter. So, totally 24 centimeter. Each side also cutting X means 24 minus 2X. Okay, 24 minus 2X. Here also breadth. What is the breadth? Here also X. X. Both side also X. Totally 24 centimeter. Each side also cutting X. X. So what will be get? 24 minus 2X. Breadth. What is the height of this box? What is the height of the box? Height is X centimeter. Only X only we are cutting and turning up. So what is the height of this box? X. Okay, length of this box is 24 minus 2X. Breadth of the box is 24 minus 2X. Height of the box is X centimeter. Have you understand this? Okay. First, side of a square is equal to is equal to 24 centimeter. Now, in an open box, length of a box is equal to length of a box is equal to 24 minus 2X centimeter. Next, breadth of a box is equal to 24 minus 2X centimeter. Okay, length is this, breadth is this. This also 24 minus 2X, here also 24 minus 2X. Height is X centimeter. Height of a box is equal to X centimeter. Okay. Now, volume of a box we have to find out. Volume of a open box is equal to volume of an open box is equal to formula is LBH is equal to LBH. Okay, length into breadth into height. When we are multiplying, what will we get? What is length? 24 minus 2X into breadth is 24 minus 2X into X. Here 24 into 24. What will we get? 24 into 24 when we are multiplying. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8, 9. Next 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 6, 17, 5. 576. Next, we have to multiply 24 into 2X. Minus, plus into minus, minus 48X. 24 into 2 is 48x. Next, with this minus 2x, these two terms also want to multiply. Minus into plus, minus. 24 into 2, 48x. Next, minus into minus, plus. Next, 2 2s are 4x into x. Now, 576 minus 48x minus 48x. Both also we can add. So, what will be get? Minus 96x plus 4x into x. Okay, 576 minus 96x plus 4x into x. When we are multiplying 576 into x, 576x minus 96 into x minus 96 x square. 4x into x, here x square will be get 4x square. 4x square into x, 4x cube will be get. Okay, 576 into x, 576x minus 96 into x, 96x square. 4x square into x, 4x cube. Okay, here volume of open box v of x. Okay, the function is box as a function of x. So volume of the box v of x is equal to 576x minus 96x square plus 4x cube. Have you understand, students? Okay. Now I am going to explain 8th question. Okay, now I am going to explain the 8th question. A function f is defined by f of x is equal to 3 minus 2x. Find x such that f of x square is equal to f of x the whole square. F of x is given 3 minus 2x. What is f of x square? X in place you have to replace x square. So 3 minus 2x square. Next, f of x the whole square means what, ma? F of 3 minus 2x the x the whole square. 3 minus 2x the whole square. Here you have to use a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square, so 3 square minus 2 into ab. A in place 3 into b in place 2x. Next, plus 2x the whole square means 2x the whole square. Okay, a square minus 2 into ab plus b square is equal to 9 minus 3 to 6, 6 to 12x plus 2 to 2 square means 4x square. Okay, f of x square 3 minus 2x square. F of x the whole square means 9 minus 12x plus 4x square. Both are so equating time. F of x square, what is given? F of x square is equal to f of x the whole square. F of x square is 3 minus 2x square is equal to f of x the whole square. 9 minus 12x plus 4x square. Here, every value take it in left hand side. So, what will be get? First x square minus 2x square plus 3. Okay, this I am changing minus 2x square plus 3. Next, this 9 take it this side, so minus 9. This 12x take it this side, plus 12x. Next, minus 4x square is equal to 0. Both outside x square, both also minus 6x square. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6x square. This is 12x. X term only one having, that I am writing. plus 3 minus 9 minus 6 is equal to 0. Here everywhere 6, it is multiple of 6. So with here also first term is negative. So we have to divide by minus 6. Okay, everything is the multiple of 6. So we have to divide it by 6. Here the first term is negative. So I am multiplying by minus 6. So what will we get this term? X square. Minus 6 by minus 6 means 1 x square. Next 12 by minus 6 means 12 by minus 6 minus 2x. Next minus 6 by minus 6 plus 1 is equal to 0. Clear this? It is the quadratic equation. Already you have learned the solving quadratic equation. How we have to solve quadratic equation? Multiplying time 1, adding time minus 2 and get. Multiplying time 1, adding time minus 2. What are the numbers? 2 factors we have to find out. Multiplying time 1, adding time minus 2. Here minus 1 into minus 1. Multiply this. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. Adding time minus 2. Minus 1 plus minus 1, minus 2. So we can write x minus 1 into, here also, x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0, comma, x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1. Have you understand this? Any doubt? Okay. Okay, you have to learn this first. F of x square 3 minus 2x square. F of x the whole square 9 minus 12x plus 4x square. Everything bring it this side and solve this quadratic equation. Okay. Thank you students.